My name is Jimmy. My position right now is a supervisor for an estimating team and AutoCAD technicians. To me, the most important part in Amico would be the constant search of innovations, or always looking to make the process easier, to help our team make their job easier. On the path of searching for innovation, there's always challenges that arise. My favorite thing about Microvellum is the ability to be able to customize it. Because our products are so much different than what Microvellum is set to do, which is mostly oriented into the casework sections. Now, instead of manually drawing it in AutoCAD, which you have to then know all the ins and outs and all the details. Now it's all run by a program. So all you have to do now is just to know the outside parameter or the overall parameters and enter them in, and you can confidently say that this drawing will work. In the beginnings, obviously, there was some struggles to learning a brand new program, which nobody had really had any idea on how it worked before. But I'm starting to see a lot more of improvement in time, improvement in speed, also a lot more confidence in the product that they're drawing. With Microvellum right now, we have a bit more confidence on uniforming the styles now that the review process is a lot faster than it is before, where you have to go into their CAD file and check everything that they have done. Whereas now, you have the confidence in the product itself that it will turn out to be the same every single time. Very cool on that part. I've seen physically on the capability of Microvellum and how much it has grown from step 1 to right now, step 200, where we have seen a lot of time being saved. Products on standard parts are a lot more efficient. The ability to control our inventory by setting it correctly in Microvellum. The possibility of what Microvellum can do and the growth of it, I can see it day by day, and that's how much of a difference it makes. With the amount of customization it can do, and with the amount of supports that we do have, I think that Microvellum is a software that can grow with our company.